Welcome back to EdPython. In this video, I reveal my Ethereum cryptocurrency price of tomorrow using machine learning LSTM algorithm. Make sure to watch the whole video so you don't miss out on this valuable information. If you enjoy this video, then make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I appreciate all your support and I hope you enjoy. Disclaimer though, the material in this video is purely for educational purposes and should not be taken as professional investment advice. Invest at your own discretion. Since the beginning of the year, Ethereum's price has soared by 435%. Over the last 12 months, it's increased by more than 1,700%. The price of Bitcoin, by comparison, has increased about 100% so far this year, and 518% over the past 12 months. Run-ups like these can be difficult to ignore, and some experts believe Ethereum has a promising future, but is it time to buy? In this video, we are going to focus on back-end analysis of the Ethereum cryptocurrency using machine learning algorithm called LSTM. LSTM stands for Long Short-Term Memory. LSTM is well suited for making price predictions based on time series data. We start the Ethereum analysis by looking at the historical data. You can download the data using the Yahoo Finance API in Python. The plot shows that the Ethereum price is still increasing month after month. To continue the Ethereum analysis, step 2 in the Python code, we are filtering and preparing the data for training and testing the LSTM model. Data is ready for a machine model, we scale the data. Scaling is a method used to normalize the range of independent variables or features of data. In data processing, it is also known as data normalization and is generally performed during the data pre-processing step. After scaling the data, we'll split the data into two parts. One part for training model and one part for testing or validating the model. The rule is to 80-20, meaning 80% for training and 20% for testing. Finally, we can start building the LSTM neural network model with 4 layers, 1 input layer, 2 hidden layers, and 1 output layer. Now, we are ready to start compiling the model and training the model. Testing the model is essential to check if the model really can predict the Ethereum price. Since we do have the real data, we can compare the testing data and the real data. After plotting the data, you'll notice that the validation and prediction fits nicely. This is looking good. Let's check if we can predict the Ethereum price of tomorrow based on the trained model. After running the model, the Ethereum price is $4,211. This is an example of Python code using stock trend analysis to generate trading signals. If you have ideas on how to improve the code, I'll be happy to change the code and publish this in a new video. I would like to thank you for watching this video. Like to see more examples of the stock trends analysis code, please leave a comment below. If you like more videos about Python and financial time series, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.